Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan rasipi da ka umsingam beats aqua na molai moro hakajingdap sunsnem jongka. Rengkat ka 3 Olives Restaurant M Crown Hotel Kendailat Shillong bat ka Orange Nissan Loan So Po Shillong. One bantiet ya ka kali Datsun Ready Go bathamai ka bas kem bat bidor.
Myntri Rangbah ka jelap konrat kongkal sang maha kan riu terik unai wiek arajar arpho ulabu Mawnongrim na kabenta bantai ya ka yeng school jong ka Rymbai Govt Secondary School kabadan hakashnong Rymbai kabahab ha East Gentle Hills District. Hakini ngila sakilang daw Myntri jo katnat puli puthi ka sarkar jila uba lakmen Rymbai Myntri katnat disaster management uba kermen shila ubolong ru MLA ka Cleariat constituency bat kiwi-kiwi. Myntri Rangbah ka jela bakran ha kajing lang lapan pau kajing kimi lenti ba kajing tay kajing skol ka babyang kan aji mentoy ki babon ki khna jong ka shnong Rymbai bat kumju ru ki shnong ki bamarjan tangkata kan yarap ru ki kimi ki pa ban kham pendunai kajing lut ksan namar bakim dan kam shu ban pha puli ki khon shabar jong ka shnong.
Rymbai Govt Secondary School has contributed a lot to the people of East Gentle Hills. And it is befitting that it has been chosen from amongst many to be one of the beneficiary for construction a new school building. Thank you so much, Sir Conrad and Sir Rymbai, for considering my proposal. At the same time, not two opportunities. I take this moment to press upon the department to also facilitate and in speeding up the process for upgradation of this institution into a higher secondary school. No doubt, we are very grateful for the new school building, but this proposal has also been a long felt need as there is no government higher secondary school in this entire district of ours.
Haris nyaw kumena o ang ini wata kini ki arsnem ki beredep kini ki lesnem ki wadangwan uman ki wow transform mto do ka digi gatchnong hanrei yaka state varok kuwi ngai pore wachema yaka education pada chema wata ka education yo transform yaka education mkami lately ki pilar kita ki pilar kita ki chot ki open met to UME ki train teachers UME ki school building ki met UME ki policy kita de ME waro kamu ang upris pastri yang into wato ka result mto pat kani chisnem asem rekeni to ni bha ka generation Rymbai Govt Secondary School mangaduka dani ka Govt Secondary School hapo ka East Chaitia MKM upay te ini kalang sarkar mto do haini warro ka makhalaya ide yoy wato hakibit wangi por Nebha Yusar ki government school mem vote ki mem ki bro ke berkhat ki yale ki sarkar ekran ki nom ikham ekran ki school balang ye ki school private kamong principal secretary chispa khanyaw to li school lepchna hot to ramo ye bha kayang i ki khna khanro yang i hanrai kat cholai Kiskur government mangi kiwajat kiwapra. Halis niya suko wato hagani ka sarkar lembah ka jingilam konrat ke sangma nado arajat pra lately ki college na provincialize ki building sa kamju handrai chief minister how news name warole dev sanction khat ar klor kvi ide yoy kachavlai ki score kis building mangi ki wasi how news name I uchim ni sada sanction no mtodo ka Rymbai ka kharkuta ka chopot ki reso ka sokha Kajwai government boys ter. Ni ba em ka mi school comment pa man kyu me. O chief ni sarang em ka plan ge o. Wato UM katu kan ni ligi school primary yang i kiwaman ki model ya ki menre. Dang jia hapo kini kisnem. Tego ikam ki sorkar ikwai kejingi krelang.
Not easy, very, very difficult decisions. And yet we are able to take them today because of the commitment and the teamwork that is there under the leadership of the Education Minister. I'm very happy also to inform you that when it comes to education, it is not just about the infrastructure. We realize that there are many things. So I'm happy to inform you, which our minister has just announced also, that we realize that the children need economical support. And a very firm decision to enhance the scholarship amount has been taken, and yet informed you about that. Our education principal secretary informed you that almost 20,000 teachers have been trained or are in the process of being trained and upgraded so that they can impart better education, create and bring out better citizens for our state. And so the government is not just working on the infrastructure. We realize that we need to work on the students also, and we need to work on the teachers also. The child will spend 60% of his or her time at home, with you, with the parents, with the society. I can see that Rymbai village is a very, very organized village, in an area where a lot of people are connected to the society out here. It is important that the school does its part, the teachers do their part, and you as parents and society must also do their part. So many challenges that yes, it will take time, but every step will help us get to that goal. All see that within 2.5 years, there has been a transformational change in Rymbai area. Whether your roads, whether the water supply, and now the schools. These are not small projects. These are very, very big projects. Then plant flowers. Because flowers will bloom in 1 year, and you will get the benefits in 1 year's time. But if your vision is for 10 years and you wish to get the results in 10 years, then plant trees that will bear fruits, and then you can get the results and the fruits after 10 years. But if your vision is for eternity and you wish to bear the fruits forever, then plant people. Because when you plant people, then the benefit of that is not just for that generation, but for generations to come. Like Rymbai Secondary School. So therefore, as a government and as a political leader, my vision is for eternity. I wish to transform our society, our state. I wish to see that our state will be the most developed state, the fastest growing state, and the #1 state in our country. And with that vision, I realize that we need to plant people. We need to find institutes where we can grow these children so that they can bloom, so that they can become great citizens and be very productive towards the development of our society and our state.